You all know and love Justin, who is now single. At the federal level, the government makes laws that affect the country as a whole, so criminal law is one of them. And with that power, they were enabled to legislate for fertility treatment, and it's very minor. Basically, it has an age limit. Donors and recipients 18, surrogates must be 21. The big change is, of course, one cannot compensate, which means gifting a donor or surrogate. So it's an altruistic model. But that's all it says. Then they instituted these regulations a few years ago that are really non-existent because it's a list that says, here's what we think you can reimburse. As a former criminal lawyer, which I didn't do my bio, I was not Miss Universe.
But were you Miss Criminal Universe?
So for 20 years I was a very high profile criminal lawyer, met my partner at 42 and discovered I needed both an egg donor and a surrogate. And I went through my surrogacy journey. My daughters are 14 and 12. They came to the Men Having Babies conference in San Francisco in March because it was March break and won everyone's hearts. I embarrassed them every moment I could, which is a right heritage, especially for the 14-year-old. But with her, I had 14 years later what's still known in Canada as the worst journey ever. And the silver lining is her, of course, but also that I changed my career and said this has to be fixed and it will be. So I'm sort of known in Canada as the government liaison person to make it better. So when they said we're going to make this list of regulations, criminal lawyer Cindy said, no, don't like regulations. They're fixed in stone. So they gave me a document called the guidance document, which says, okay, here's a list of what we think you can reimburse for, but this document says if we missed anything, it's okay. If it's related to the donation or the surrogacy, it's fine.